carve over it. Right?
Search this hill for some more lift, right? Like right now we're getting a little. Sometimes right over this is upper launch right here below us where the windsock
Right,
is.
right.
And where we're going to try launching tomorrow, which is called Freedom, or even later today,
Right.
is right over here, this clearing right in front of us here on the edge.
Oh, I got you.
So that's Freedom.
Right.
We might try that later today.
This hill or the further over?
No, this one right
Right here.
That clearing right
Gotcha.
So we can drive under park right there.
Gotcha.
And we're going to try and actually drive the truck right on the launch so they can keep everything really easy.
I gotta be honest, I gotta be out by like 1. We're going to a concert tonight in Bend.
Okay, well, yeah, this one's
So-
like at 4 or 5 now.
Yeah, no, we're gonna be at Joe Bonamassa and Kenny Wayne Shepherd,
Oh,
the
yeah.
blues show. But you did mention tomorrow.
All right, so I think we got a little moment here. I'll just
Right.
give this brakes to you.
I mean,
And we're just, so when we feel lift, we get a little
there-
lighter on the brakes.
right?
And when you feel like when the glider comes out in front of us, then we give it a little brake. We're going up real nice. This is awesome. So, oh yeah, you can feel it kind of pulling
Right,
the brakes.
right.
It's a really good thermal.
Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead and take the brakes and see if I
Turn
can
us
work the
around.
thermal real quick.
Go.
See if we can't get some more of that one.
Come on, baby. Pray to Pele.
There we go.
You know what Pele is, right?
Pele, yeah.
The goddess of wind.
Yeah.
I danced with her. The goddess of fire.
Such
Nice.
a teaser. They're just turning on.
Right,
there.
right, right.
I felt a little nibble on my left. It's kind of like dishing coming on my
You
right.
feel it? Yeah, you feel it here,
Yeah.
pulling. Little tug.
All right, I'm gonna give the brakes back to you. And, so you know where we're gonna land, right?
Right at the T down there?
Yep. Oh man, all I gotta do is give you the brakes and we go up.
Right?
So thinking about where we're gonna land, if we were setting up for a landing, you can see the sock down there.
Right, right.
So we're probably gonna want to turn a little bit off to our right. So we're gonna lean to our right.
Right,
Give it
right.
a little right brake, let off the left brake. Yep, we're starting to turn. Nice job.
Little more?
Oh, that's great. Just hold that heading. Kind of be heading towards the metal trough. where we're
Right,
at.
right.
Since we're going up, we love it, you know? Now let's turn a little bit to our left, about 90 degrees. So up on this brake.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, nice job. And so by turning back and forth like this, we can lose some altitude. So let's turn about 90 more degrees.
Little heavy, little heavy.
That's not good. Okay, and so we might get back into some lift. It looks like Nathan got a little lift right over there.
Right.
So we're trying to climb over there. So let's start turning right a little bit. And then we're going to kind of go out over the road and see if we don't find a little lift.
There it is. There's a little.
A little bit.
Nice. Oh, good climbing.
So we see Nathan right off to our right. He's going to be setting up for a landing.
Right.
So we're going to kind of watch him. See
Watch
how
what
he
his
sets
wind's
up.
doing.
I'm going to have you kind of do the same. I'm going to have you do our landing approach a little
Cool.
bit, because
Right.
we want to teach you how to do that so that you can do it on your own.
Right.
Flying solo here, you know,
Right.
or two.
So he's coming. You want to go over behind him?
Yeah,
Got it?
exactly. I wouldn't even go as far right as he did because
Right.
we'll drop a little
We'll stay
faster
left
than
of
he
this,
does.
left of the
You know,
tree down.
It's okay if he lands in the brush. We got to make landing.
Right, right.
And one thing nice to do, if we had more height, we'd fly right over the windsock to
And
get
come
an
back
idea.
the other way. Oh,
We can look
gotcha.
straight down the pole at it.
Right.
But what we're going to do is we're just going to watch Nate because he's going to be like our windsock, right? And so we're going to follow him. And see, he's setting up to land right on that road.
Right, right.
And that's probably what we're going to do. And you can see we're dropping pretty quick, right?
Right.
All right, let's go a little bit to our right so we can lose some altitude by that turn, right? So
A little harder.
lighten up on that brake a little and see how much easier.
Real hard, right.
No, that's good, that's good. Okay, now we're gonna pump the little bump there.
Cool.
Okay, so we're kind of high still.
Right.
But I think we're okay. We're just gonna drift a little more to our right.
Hit the brakes
Okay,
harder.
Now we're gonna, okay, so the wind has changed a little bit.
Pull us down, right?
Yeah,
We're going down.
Okay, I got the brakes.
You
I'll
got
take
it?
them. Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
It's all right.
Okay, so we're gonna set up to landing now. And hopefully we can just cruise right along this road. Oh God.
Nice. Perfect. You all right? You
Yeah,
back
yeah,
there?
I'm all good. Yeah, I was just pulling the glider down.
All right, cool.
Money. All right, man. That was fucking awesome.
Fucking that's the shit, dude.
So, all right, I'm gonna, let me put my brakes away real quick and
Right.
get the strap off your back. And then if you want, you can just put your hands right on the wheels and wheel them down the road.
Cool.
So Nate, I'll collect all this stuff up. Let's see here. So I want to reach right through here and get this one. Yeah, that was money. And so that was actually for like
That was a good flight.
Yeah, you got to feel some thermals on that one.
Yeah, it's too bad. Like I said, they should be up here.
Yeah, I agree. I think on the later models, like the one you get, they might be further forward. You can see though, like they need to be kind of far back because the way we landed.
Right. You're wheeling on it.
Yeah, yeah, totally.
Ha ha ha.
Nice one.
That was a good flight.
So come out tomorrow, we'll do it again.
Yep.
And tomorrow there'll be another dude here. We might even use his chair.
That's what you were saying. All right. I'm in a pickle here. Ah, come on, bitch.
That was awesome.
That was fun, dude.
Man, I think if you would have got lucky on a lift, you could have stayed up.
We caught a couple, just couldn't get it up.
It was like right after you got around the corner, I caught a big one. I had to get down.
Just to you came down just to stay with us.
Yeah. Dude.
Yeah.
Fuck.
I love you guys, man. That's the shit.
Yeah.
Hey, unstrap. Do me a favor. Just the front leg strap. Oh, he's gone. Ugh.
Yeah, we're surprised how well you worked it.
Blah.
Yeah.
Blah.
I can make the most out of that 20 meter, there's no doubt.
Here, I got you.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. One of those birds is sinking in pretty good.
There we go.
There we just
Oh, fuck, dude.
We'll just cruise around in the shade and watch
Yeah.
these guys come in to land.
I've been waiting so long for this.
Dude.
It hasn't been that long. I understand you guys. Don't take me wrong.
No, I mean, I love it.
I dream about this shit.
Seeing you want to come, like,